How to create a .bat file to execute csrun.exe with parameters. If you're looking to automate the execution of csrun.exe with specific parameters, creating a batch file, .bat, is an effective solution. Batch files allow for command sequences to be executed automatically, saving you from manually entering commands each time. Here's how you can create one. Step-by-step guide to creating a batch file. Open a text editor. Begin by opening a text editor like Notepad. It's important not to use a word processor like Microsoft Word, as the file format will not be compatible. Enter the command. In the text editor, type the command you would like to execute. For example, replace parameter 1, parameter 2, etc. with the actual parameters you need csrun.exe to execute. Save the file. Save this file with a .bat extension. You can give it a name of your choice, such as run_csrun.bat. Ensure that the save as type is set to all files in the Notepad save as dialog box, so it doesn't save as a .txt file inadvertently. Run the batch file. Double-click the .bat file to run it. Alternatively, you can execute it within a command prompt window by navigating to the directory containing your batch file and typing. Optional, add more commands. If you wish to execute additional commands alongside csrun.exe, simply enter each command on a new line within the same batch file. This can include multiple executions with varying parameters, or even entirely different programs. Best practices for batch files. Use comments. Document your batch files by using rem commands to add comments. This can be useful for others, or yourself, when revisiting the file later. For example, test thoroughly. Test your batch file in a safe environment to ensure it behaves as expected, particularly if it alters files or system settings. Error handling. Consider adding error handling to your batch file to manage unexpected outcomes. Although batch files are relatively simple, you can use if and go-to statements for basic error handling and flow control. By following these steps, you can create a batch file that automates the execution of csrun.exe with your specified parameters. This can significantly streamline processes, especially if you frequently use the same command sequence.